Some setups for darts look plain, and some instantly make the whole area feel more put together. That difference is why I made this video on the best dartboard cabinets. I'll be talking through a handful of picks, each one fitting different needs. Some look a bit more traditional, some lean modern, and some focus more on keeping everything tidy. Watching the full video will help you figure out which one lines up with what you want for your space. All the links to the products are in the description. And if you like this kind of guide, you can hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you catch future videos. If any questions pop up, you can leave a comment. So let's break them down one by one. Number 5. DMI Sports Dublin Bristle Dartboard Cabinet Set. This one leans into a classic style, with a look that fits right into a game room or a quieter corner of the house. The finish comes in a few choices, like oak, rosewood, and the rustic tan version here. And all of them bring a warm feel that works with a lot of different setups. The size is pretty big, so it fills the wall nicely without feeling oversized. Inside, you get a full bristle board with a metal ring and clear numbers. The ring can spin, which helps the board last longer during steady use. The 2 doors open out wide, and each door has spots to store darts, plus black chalkboards with cricket marks already printed on them. You also get chalk and an eraser, so scoring is easy right out of the box. There are 2 drawers under the board and a shelf between them, giving you space for extra darts or spare pieces. The whole thing has some weight to it, so it needs to be mounted into wall studs. Most people find that part pretty simple, though it takes a minute to line everything up. The board handles regular play well, though some folks say it doesn't bounce back as much as they hoped during longer sessions. The darts in the box get the job done, but are pretty basic. A few people mention shipping bumps or missing parts, but the company replaces things quickly. So, this one brings a complete setup with a clean look and plenty of storage, making it a strong pick for someone who wants a ready-to-go cabinet with a bit of character. Number 4. AccuDart Match Pro Dartboard Cabinet Set. This one brings a more modern look, with a clean wood grain finish that fits right in with a simple, updated room layout. The size sticks to the standard setup, and the whole kit has a steady feel without being too heavy to manage during installation. Inside the doors, you get a sisal bristle board that can spring back after steady play, and the depth gives it a little more holding strength than thinner boards. The cabinet doors have chalkboards on each side with cricket markings, so scoring stays quick and clear. There are holders for darts on both doors too, keeping things easy to reach. One thing that stands out here is the lighting. There's an automatic LED strip that clicks on the moment you open the doors and shuts off when you close them. It runs on batteries, and the brightness helps a lot in dim rooms. Some people say the lights are stronger than expected, which is great for visibility. You get 6 darts in the box, and they work fine for casual play, though many people swap them out later for their own set. The chalkboard eraser could be nicer, but it's easy to replace if you want a cleaner wipe. Mounting this one needs 2 studs 16 inches apart, and the instructions come with a clear template, which people really like. Once it's up, the style fits that laid-back pub feel with a bit of a modern twist. Number 3. Viper Hudson Dartboard Cabinet. The look here leans more classic, with a black finish that blends nicely into a game room or even a small corner setup. The frame is made from pine, giving it a steady build without adding a lot of weight. The doors open on bronze hinges, and there are small door stoppers that keep everything from swinging too far, which helps keep the cabinet and board protected. Inside, the felt backing adds a clean touch behind the board, and the center space is built to fit any standard bristle setup. Since the board isn't included, you can pair it with whichever style you prefer. On the inside of the doors, you get a dry erase cricket board on one side and an out chart on the other, so scoring stays quick and easy. A marker comes with it, and there are 6 little dart slots across the bottom for 2 full sets. Down below, there are 2 drawers that work well for storing extra pieces like flights or markers. Some people mention that a bit more depth would make certain boards sit even better, and others say the scoring areas could be slightly larger, but neither issue seems to take away from the usefulness. Mounting is simple, especially since the cabinet comes fully assembled. If you're looking for a clean, steady option with storage and a classic look, this one fits that style nicely. Number 2. Barrington Billiards Dartboard. This cabinet brings more of a furniture-style look, with a mix of brown, black, red, and green that gives it a warmer feel on the wall. The frame is built from MDF with a birch veneer, and it comes fully assembled, so you just mount it and you're ready to go. The doors use magnets to stay shut, and the inside has a black velvet backing that gives the whole setup a cleaner appearance. The board inside is a bristle style with a staple-free bullseye and wiring that's pretty slim, which helps cut down on bounce-outs. The number ring can rotate too, so the wear spreads out over time. Reviews mention the board measures a touch under the full 18 inches, but it still plays like a standard setup. You get 6 darts split into 2 colors, and there's little corner storage on each side to hold them when you're done. Each door has a dry erase scoreboard for cricket, and the size gives you plenty of room to write. Some people say the boards can be a little hard to clean fully, so you might need a better marker later. There are built-in LED lights along the top, though a few folks say they sit a bit far back, so the brightness doesn't reach the center as much as they hoped. Mounting is simple, and the packaging tends to protect it well. For someone wanting a cabinet that looks more like part of the room instead of just game gear, this one hits that style really well. Number 1. Viper Vault Cabinet and Shot King Dartboard Bundle. This setup leans more premium right from the start, with a black cabinet and a walnut finish that gives it a sharp look on the wall. It stays fairly slim even when it's closed, and the felt lining inside adds a clean contrast once the doors swing open. The whole bundle is meant to be ready for play, so you mount it, close the doors, and everything fits in place. Inside, you get a full bristle board with a staple-free bullseye and a number ring you can move when spots start to wear down. The doors have dry erase scoreboards built in, and the marker comes in the kit, so keeping track of games is simple. There are 2 sets of darts included, and they work fine for learning or casual play, though most people upgrade them over time. What sets this one apart is the throw line and the lighting. Instead of a sticker or a piece of tape, there's a laser line that shines right on the floor. It's easy to see even during the day, and the position can be changed, though a few reviews say getting it perfect takes a little patience. The cabinet lights have 3 little pods that you can tilt, and they help cut shadows around the board. They run on batteries or a plug, so you can set them up either way. Mounting is simple with the template that's included, and the cabinet stays steady once it's on the wall. For someone wanting a full setup without buying things separately, this bundle brings a lot to the table. We just looked at a bunch of setups, and each one brings something a little different. So it really depends on what fits your space and style. If something here stood out to you, the links are down in the description. And if this video helped you out, feel free to like, subscribe, tap the notification bell, and drop a comment if you've got a question. You can check out the other videos on the channel too, if you want more guides like this. Thanks for being here, and I'll catch you in the next one.